Christmas celebration is usually big here, perhaps one of the biggest holidays in Nigeria. And at times like this, many troop to the market to make their purchases for the celebration. One of the fast-moving goods during this season is Christmas decors. And for over 15 years, Ngozi's been earning big money selling them. The investment, worth 2 million naira, has grown over the years, raking in nearly 10 times her initial investment. But the situation is different now. Nigeria's recession-hit economy is taking a toll on her sales.
Every businessman or every businesswoman will agree with me that this is not the best period because, like I said before, the purchasing power of people has really dropped. And definitely it has affected business. But like I said again, I thank God that I still maintain my customers. I'm not making as much as I would have made, but I still give God the glory because I still sell.
Nigeria's economy is heavily import dependent, yet it's facing a severe dollar scarcity. The latest from the Bureau of Statistics show inflation rate has hit 18.48%, and consumers are struggling to cope with the steep rise in prices.
Things are very expensive, even Christmas clothes. To buy a shoe for your kids, 6K, 10K, but last year you can buy it in rate of 2.5, 3.5.
Like today I heard a bag of rice is now 19,000 naira. So you could see, once we are approaching the Christmas day, I wonder how people can be able to meet up to the high price.
70% of Nigeria's earnings come from oil, but more than half of that has been wiped off due to the fall in crude oil prices and a cut in production as a result of pipeline vandalism. The impact of an economy in recession is becoming more pronounced. Many more here can't afford things they used to buy easily. In some places like Lagos, the state government has had to intervene by subsidizing commodities like rice during this festive season. Others are subsidizing public transportation to ease things for the average Nigerian. Kelechi, Emekalam, CCTV, Abuja, Nigeria.